we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 4, quadratic equation. Now what does it mean by equation? If algebraic term has LHS is equal to RHS, that means it has a sign of equal sign and both side is there, then it is called equation. And what does it mean by quadratic? Now you know we have studied the chapter number 2, that is polynomial. And what does it mean by quadratic polynomial? Now if the maximum power of x is 2 or degree of that polynomial is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. Now that is same for a quadratic equation. If the equation degree of the equation is 2, then it is called a quadratic equation. And standard form of a quadratic equation is is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? Now here we can see that the maximum or degree of the polynomial is 2. If we consider this as a polynomial, then degree of this polynomial is 2. If we consider it as an equation, then degree of this equation is also 2. So that means that is the standard form of quadratic equation. Now in this chapter we are going to discuss how we have to solve this quadratic equation. There are 3 methods is there: completing square method, factorization method, and quadratic formula. And that means one formula is there, using this we can solve this equation, right? And some workout example is there, we have to solve it. First we have to form the equation and then we have to solve the equation. Now first we are going to discuss whether the given equation is quadratic or not. Now I will write some example of quadratic equation. X square plus x is equal to 5. 5x cube minus x plus 1. 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we can see that here degree of this equation is 2. That means it is quadratic equation. Here we can see that degree of this equation is 3 because maximum power of x is 3. So that is not a quadratic equation. Here maximum power of x is 1. So given equation is not a quadratic equation, right? It is called a linear equation in variable x, and it is called cubic equation in variable x, right? If we take y as a variable, then it is cubic equation in variable y, right? Now we are going to solve that given sum or given equation is quadratic or not. First you have to remember this formula. You have studied in 8th standard, 9th standard, but we will revise it, that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second one is a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now a plus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Third one is there, it can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in the bracket a plus b, or a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? Now another one is there, a minus b whole cube. Now a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, right? And last one, another one, a cube plus b cube, that is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, right? And a minus b whole cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, right? This formula is we have to use if we want to solve the quadratic equation, right? We have to check, that is x minus 2 whole square plus 1 2x minus 3 is quadratic equation or not, right? Now we can see that x minus 2 whole square, that is bracket square minus 2 into bracket plus bracket square plus 1 plus 2x minus 3. So here it is x 2 and 2, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 2x minus 3, x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 2x minus 3, right? Now we have take this all in one side, that means if we change the sign will change. X square minus 4x plus 5 minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we know that x square, here these two are like term, minus minus plus, so it is 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. And here this equation degree is 2, that means given equation is a quadratic equation, or this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So given equation is quadratic equation, right? Now here x in the bracket x, that means x multiplied by x, that is equal to x square, 1 multiplied by x, that is x plus 8. Now here it is a plus b and a minus b, so that is a square minus b square, x and 2, that means x square plus x plus 8, that is equal to x square minus 4. So we will take all the term on one side, that is x plus 8 minus x square plus 4 is equal to 0. X square will get cancelled, x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now we can see that this is a linear equation, not a quadratic equation, because given equation is, or it is not in a form of ax square plus bx plus c. So given equation is not a quadratic equation, right? Now x multiplied by x, that is equal to 2x square plus 3 multiplied by x, that is 3x plus x square plus 1, so that is 2x square minus plus 3x minus x square minus 1 is equal to 0, that is equal to x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Because 2x square and x square is a like term, so we can subtract 2x square from x square. So this is, we can see that is the quadratic equation, because it is in a form of equal to 0. So therefore given equation is quadratic equation. Now x plus 2 whole cube, and we know that the a plus b whole cube formula, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? That is equal to x cube minus 4 x 2 x 2 x 2, right? Therefore x cube is equal to x cube plus 2 cube is equal to 8. Now it is 3x square multiplied by 2, that means 6x square plus 3 4s are 12x 12x x cube minus 4. Now this will come this side, so x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x minus x cube plus 4, right? So x cube, this will get cancelled, so it is 6x square plus 12x, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, so that is equal to 12 is equal to 0. Now we can see that 6 is common, so 6 is common, so x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. X square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0 upon 6, that is equal to 0. That means x square plus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0 is in a form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So therefore given equation is quadratic equation, right? Now another sum, that is from exercise 4.1 question number 1, first sum is there. In this we have to check, that is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 in the bracket x minus 3 is quadratic equation or not. Now x plus 1 whole square, so that is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1, so here it is 2x minus 6, therefore it is x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. This 2x and 2x will get cancelled, so it is x square plus 7. Now here it is also in a form of ax square plus bx plus c, that means it is a quadratic equation. It is in form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore given equation is quadratic equation. Right? Now second one, that is x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 in the bracket 3 minus x, right? Now here it is x square minus 2x. If we multiply 2 by 3 we get 6, and plus minus minus it is minus 6, minus minus plus, that is 2x. We will take this 2 on one side, so x square minus 2x plus 6 minus 2x is equal to 0. Therefore it is equal to x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. It is in form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, given equation is quadratic equation, right? Now here it is x minus 2 in the bracket x plus 1, x minus 1 in the bracket x plus 3. Now we have to multiply this x by this whole bracket. So x in the bracket x plus 1 minus 2 in the bracket x plus 1. So x in the bracket x plus 3 and minus 1 in the bracket x plus 3. So therefore x multiplied by x, that is x square, plus x minus 2 multiplied by x, that is minus 2x, minus 2 x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. Therefore we will take this on one side. So x square, x minus 2x, that is equal to minus x minus 2 minus x square minus 3x plus x plus 3 is equal to 0, right? So that is x square will get cancel. This x and this x also get cancelled. So equation will become minus 3x minus 5, and it is not in a form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore given equation is not quadratic equation, right? Now you can solve example number 4, 5 and 6 in your homework. Now we will solve these two, right? Now x plus 2 whole cube, that is formula is bracket cube plus 3 in the bracket square into bracket plus 3 in the bracket plus whole cube, that is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. So it is 2x 2 x and 2 x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x is equal to 12x cube minus 2x, right? Now this will come this side. So x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0. So it is minus x cube plus 14x plus 6x square plus 8 is equal to 0. So here it is cubic equation. So given equation is not quadratic equation.